Understanding the coupling medium in electromechanical energy conversion processes. In electromechanical systems, energy must transfer between electrical and mechanical domains through a coupling medium. A coupling medium is the physical mechanism that enables energy transfer between electrical and mechanical systems. The coupling medium acts as a bridge, allowing electrical energy to become mechanical energy and vice versa. Energy flows from the electrical domain through the coupling medium into the mechanical domain. There are two primary forms of coupling media: electric field coupling and magnetic field coupling. Let us explore electric field coupling, where electric fields store and transfer energy. Electric field coupling relies on electrostatic forces that develop between charged conductive surfaces. The stored electric energy equals 1/2 times capacitance times voltage squared. Electric field lines extend from positive to negative plates, creating a force distribution in the gap between them. The capacitor structure is the key component in electric field coupling systems. Capacitance equals permittivity times area divided by distance between plates. The electrostatic force equals 1/2 voltage squared times the derivative of capacitance with respect to displacement. As voltage is applied, attractive forces develop between the plates, causing mechanical displacement. Electric field coupling finds applications in various electromechanical devices. It is used in electrostatic motors and precision actuators, where clean operation is required. Capacitive sensors and microphones convert mechanical vibrations into electrical signals using this principle. Micro-electromechanical systems often employ electric field coupling due to their small scale. Now let us examine magnetic field coupling, the more common form in large-scale applications. Magnetic field coupling operates through magnetic forces that develop when current flows through conductors in magnetic fields. The stored magnetic energy equals 1/2 times inductance times current squared. A current-carrying conductor generates circular magnetic field lines around it, creating a coupling medium. The inductor or electromagnet structure forms the basis of magnetic field coupling. Inductance equals permeability times turn squared times area divided by magnetic path length. The electromagnetic force equals 1/2 current squared times the derivative of inductance with respect to displacement. In an electromagnetic system, a coil wrapped around a magnetic core creates a field that attracts a movable armature. Magnetic field coupling dominates in practical electromechanical applications. Electric motors and generators use magnetic field coupling to convert between electrical and mechanical energy. Transformers use magnetic coupling to transfer energy between circuits, while relays use it for switching. Solenoids and electromagnetic actuators rely on magnetic forces for linear motion. Audio speakers and many sensors use magnetic coupling for their operation. Let us compare electric field and magnetic field coupling to understand their differences. Electric field systems use high voltage and low current producing small forces, while magnetic field systems use lower voltages with higher currents generating larger forces. The energy density of these two coupling methods differs significantly. Electric energy density equals 1/2 permittivity times electric field squared. Magnetic energy density equals 1/2 permeability times magnetic flux density squared. For practical field strengths, magnetic coupling typically achieves much higher energy density than electric coupling. Understanding how energy converts through these coupling media is essential. Electrical energy first converts to field energy stored in the coupling medium, then converts to mechanical energy through force generation. The mechanical power equals force times velocity, showing the rate of energy transfer. Both coupling media allow bidirectional energy flow, enabling both motor and generator action. In motor mode, energy flows from electrical to mechanical, while in generator mode, the flow reverses. Let us summarize the key concepts of coupling media in electromechanical conversion. Coupling media are essential for transferring energy between electrical and mechanical domains. Electric field coupling relies on capacitive effects with high voltage and low current. Magnetic field coupling uses inductive effects with higher current and greater force capability. Both forms support bidirectional energy conversion for versatile applications. The choice between electric and magnetic coupling depends on specific application requirements like force, size, and voltage levels.